Troubleshooting a humming track lighting system with a dimmer involves several steps. Firstly, check the electrical connections. Ensure all wire connections are tight and secure, as loose connections can cause humming. Inspect the wiring for any damage or frayed wires, and repair or replace them as needed. Secondly, evaluate dimmer compatibility. Make sure the dimmer switch is compatible with metal reflector 16 halogen bulbs, since incompatible dimmers can cause humming. Verify that a dimmer is rated for the load of the lighting system. Thirdly, inspect the bulbs. Replace any burned out bulbs with new ones because faulty bulbs can contribute to humming. Check the orientation of the bulbs and ensure they are inserted correctly into the track heads. Fourthly, test for grounding issues. Use a multimeter to check if the lighting fixture is properly grounded, noting that poor grounding can cause electrical noise. Check the electrical outlet or junction box for proper ground connections. Fifthly, examine transformers if applicable. Check the transformer connected to the track lighting to ensure it is in good condition and providing adequate power. Relocate the transformer away from the dimmer or lighting fixture to minimize interference. Sixthly, consider noise suppression devices. Install line filters or noise suppression capacitors in the circuit to reduce electrical noise, connecting these devices in parallel with the dimmer. Seventhly, if all else fails, replace the dimmer with a different model or brand, as some dimmers are more prone to humming than others. As a safety precaution, always turn off the power before performing any electrical work. Wear appropriate safety gear, such as gloves and safety glasses. Consult with a qualified electrician if you are not comfortable working with electrical systems. When dealing with electrical troubleshooting, compatibility is key. Dimmers are designed to work with specific types of bulbs, and using an incompatible dimmer can lead to problems such as humming, flickering, or even damage to the dimmer or the bulbs. Refer to the dimmer's documentation to verify it supports metal reflector 16 halogen bulbs. If the dimmer is not compatible, replace it with one that is specifically designed for metal reflector 16 halogen bulbs, or consider switching to light-emitting diode bulbs that are compatible with a wider range of dimmers. The load rating of the dimmer is also crucial. Dimmers are designed to handle a specific amount of power, measured in watts. If the total wattage of the bulbs exceeds the dimmer's rating, it can cause the dimmer to overheat and malfunction, leading to humming or other issues. Calculate the total wattage of your bulbs by adding up the wattage of each individual bulb. Ensure that the total wattage is less than or equal to the dimmer's rated wattage. If it exceeds the rating, you'll need to either reduce the number of bulbs or replace the dimmer with one that has a higher wattage rating. When inspecting the bulbs, look for any signs of damage or wear. Check for cracks, discoloration, or loose filaments. These can indicate that the bulb is faulty and may be causing the humming. Even if a bulb appears to be working, it could still be the source of the problem. Try replacing each bulb one at a time to see if the humming stops. Also, ensure that the bulbs are properly seated in the track heads. A loose connection can create a small air gap, which can cause the bulb to vibrate and produce a humming sound. To test for grounding issues, use a multimeter to check the continuity between a lighting fixture and a known good ground, such as a metal water pipe or the ground terminal in an electrical outlet. Set the multimeter to the continuity setting, which is usually indicated by a diode symbol or a beep. Touch one probe to a metal part of the lighting fixture and the other probe to the known good ground. If the multimeter shows continuity, it means the fixture is properly grounded. If there is no continuity, it indicates a grounding problem. Check the ground wire connections at the fixture, the electrical outlet, and the junction box. Make sure all connections are tight and secure. If you find any loose or damaged ground wires, repair or replace them as needed. In some track lighting systems, a transformer is used to step down the voltage from 120 volts to a low voltage, such as 12 volts, for the metal reflector 16 halogen bulbs. If your system uses a transformer, it could be the source of the humming. Check the transformer for any signs of damage, such as cracks, swelling, or leaking fluid. If you notice any damage, replace the transformer immediately. Even if the transformer appears to be in good condition, it could still be producing noise due to electromagnetic interference. Try relocating the transformer away from the dimmer or the lighting fixture to see if it reduces the humming. You can also try wrapping the transformer in a layer of sound dampening material such as foam or rubber to absorb some of the noise. Noise suppression devices such as line filters and noise suppression capacitors can help to reduce electrical noise in the circuit. Line filters are designed to block high-frequency noise from entering the circuit, while noise suppression capacitors are designed to absorb noise that is already present in the circuit. These devices can be connected in parallel with the dimmer to filter out noise that may be causing the humming. To install a line filter, simply connect it to a hot and neutral wires going to the dimmer. To install a noise suppression capacitor, connect it between the hot and neutral wires at the dimmer. Be sure to use capacitors that are rated for the appropriate voltage and current for your circuit. If you've tried all of the above steps and the humming persists, the dimmer itself may be the problem. Some dimmers are simply more prone to humming than others. Try replacing the dimmer with a different model or brand. When choosing a replacement dimmer, look for one that is specifically designed for metal reflector 16 halogen bulbs and that has a low noise rating. You can also try a dimmer that uses a different dimming technology, such as a digital dimmer, which may be less prone to humming than a traditional analog dimmer. If you are not comfortable working with electrical systems, it is always best to consult with a qualified electrician. An electrician has the knowledge and experience to diagnose and repair electrical problems safely and effectively. They can also ensure that your track lighting system is installed correctly and meets all applicable electrical codes. Remember that electrical work can be dangerous, and it is important to take all necessary safety precautions. Always turn off the power before performing any electrical work, and wear appropriate safety gear, such as gloves and safety glasses. If you are unsure about any aspect of the work, consult with a qualified electrician. The 2008 National Electrical Code, or NEC, provides guidelines for safe electrical installations. Some relevant sections may include Article 410.1, which covers luminaires, lamp holders, and lamps, and Article 314.1, which covers junction boxes and outlet boxes. Also, Article 404.1 addresses switches, including dimmers. Always consult the latest edition of the NEC and local electrical codes for specific requirements in your area. By systematically troubleshooting the different components of your track lighting system, you can identify and fix the source of the humming and enjoy a quiet and well-lit space. Remember to prioritize safety and consult with a qualified electrician if you are not comfortable performing the work yourself. When checking electrical connections, pay close attention to the wire connectors used. Ensure that they are properly sized for the wires being connected and that they are securely tightened. Loose wire connectors can create resistance, which can generate heat and cause humming. If you find any wire connectors that are damaged or corroded, replace them with new ones. Also, make sure that the wires are properly stripped before being inserted into the connectors. Too much exposed wire can create a short circuit, while not enough exposed wire can result in a loose connection. Use a wire stripper to remove the insulation from the wires, exposing the correct amount of copper conductor. When evaluating dimmer compatibility, consider the type of dimming technology used. There are two main types of dimmers: leading edge and trailing edge. Leading edge dimmers are typically used with incandescent and halogen bulbs, while trailing edge dimmers are often used with light-emitting diode bulbs. Using the wrong type of dimmer can cause humming, flickering, or other problems. Check the dimmer's documentation to determine which type of dimming technology it uses and ensure that it is compatible with the type of bulbs you are using. Also, consider the dimming range of the dimmer. Some dimmers have a limited dimming range, which means that they cannot dim the bulbs down to a very low level. If you want to be able to dim the bulbs down to a very low level, choose a dimmer with a wide dimming range. When inspecting the bulbs, look for any signs of arcing or sparking. Arcing or sparking can occur when there is a loose connection or a faulty bulb. If you see any arcing or sparking, turn off the power immediately and replace the bulb. Also, check the bulb's wattage rating. Using a bulb with a higher wattage rating than the fixture is designed for can cause overheating and damage to the fixture. Make sure that the bulb's wattage rating is less than or equal to the fixture's maximum wattage rating. When testing for grounding issues, use a multimeter to check the voltage between the lighting fixture and a known good ground. Set the multimeter to the volt setting and touch one probe to a metal part of the lighting fixture and the other probe to the known good ground. If the multimeter reads a voltage greater than 0 volts, it indicates a grounding problem. Check the ground wire connections at the fixture, the electrical outlet, and the junction box. Make sure all connections are tight and secure. If you find any loose or damaged ground wires, repair or replace them as needed. When examining transformers, listen for any unusual noises, such as buzzing or crackling. These noises can indicate that the transformer is failing. Also, check the transformer's temperature. If the transformer is excessively hot, it could be a sign of overload or malfunction. Use a non-contact thermometer to measure the transformer's temperature. If the temperature is significantly higher than the manufacturer's recommended operating temperature, replace the transformer. When considering noise suppression devices, choose devices that are specifically designed for lighting circuits. There are many different types of noise suppression devices available, but not all of them are suitable for lighting circuits. Choose devices that are rated for the appropriate voltage, current, and frequency for your circuit. Also, make sure that the devices are properly grounded. Improperly grounded noise suppression devices can actually worsen the noise problem. When replacing the dimmer, choose a dimmer that is compatible with the type of bulbs you are using, has a low noise rating, and has a wide dimming range. Also consider the dimmer's features. Some dimmers have features such as preset dimming levels, fade-in and fade-out capabilities, and remote control operation. Choose a dimmer that has the features that are important to you. Finally, remember to follow all applicable electrical codes and safety precautions when working with electrical systems. Electrical work can be dangerous, and it is important to take all necessary precautions to protect yourself from electric shock. Always turn off the power before performing any electrical work, wear appropriate safety gear, and consult with a qualified electrician if you are not comfortable performing the work yourself. By following these steps, you can troubleshoot and fix a humming track lighting system with a dimmer safely and effectively.